Hey people, so we are at Ala Liberty, and as you can see there's strawberry lassi, there is lemonade. It's like quite a spread, yeah. I mean, seriously, wow. This is even noodles, and I very rarely come towards the main course. This is out of the universe, really. So yeah, okay, plain curd. Yeah, I want pasta. मुझे white pasta चाहिए. So this is the rainbow pastry, chocolate Swiss roll. Oh, and this is pani puri. And of course this is dahi puri pasta. Okay, so this is how it is. I can't wait to get started because this was a spring roll, vegetarian hara bhara kebab, pizza. Wow, this is a weekday and I'm so glad I'm here.